In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo, making it easy for your subscribers to opt out if they choose to. Managing your email list responsibly is crucial for maintaining a healthy relationship with your subscribers, and providing a clear unsubscribe option is a key part of that. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your email draft template in Klaviyo. Once you have your template open, look for a text block in the editor tools. You'll need to drag this text block into the footer section of your canvas. The footer is typically where you'll want to place information like your company address, contact details, and of course, the unsubscribe link. It's a common and user-friendly practice to include this information at the bottom, making it easily accessible without distracting from the main content of your email. Now that your text block is in place, it's time to type out your footer text. You might write something like, "If you no longer wish to receive these emails, you can unsubscribe here." This message clearly communicates to your subscribers that they have the option to opt out if they prefer. Crafting this message with clear and concise language helps ensure that your subscribers understand their options. It's important to be straightforward and transparent, which helps build trust. Next, you'll need to highlight the specific words you want to link. In this example, you might choose unsubscribe here as the clickable text. Highlighting these words will make it clear that this is an actionable link, guiding your subscribers on what to do if they want to unsubscribe. Once you've highlighted your selected words, look for the link icon in the text formatting toolbar. This icon often looks like a chain link and is a common feature in most text editors. Clicking this icon will open a link pop-up where you can input your link details. In the URL field of the link pop-up, you'll want to paste a specific tag that Klaviyo uses for unsubscribe links. This tag is written exactly as follows: open bracket, %, space, unsubscribe, space, %, close bracket. This tag is a placeholder that Klaviyo automatically recognizes and replaces with a personalized unsubscribe URL for each recipient when the email is sent. It's crucial to use this exact tag to ensure the functionality of the unsubscribe link. After pasting the tag, make sure everything looks correct and click Save. This final step ensures that all your changes are applied and that the unsubscribe link is properly set up in your email footer. Double-checking your work is always a good practice to avoid any mistakes that could impact your subscribers' experience. And there you have it. Your email now includes a functional unsubscribe link, making it easy for recipients to opt out if they choose. By following these steps, you ensure compliance with email marketing best practices and contribute to a positive relationship with your audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy emailing!